Hey guys, worst millennial ever here, and we're down at the property. Gonna do a little bit of brush hogging. Should be fun. Just want to give you a little update. I had no problems getting here. That's a John Deere 5075E. Total weight here is about 15,000 or so on the truck. Got a 1-inch level kit up front. Running 295/70 R18 Coopers AT3 XLT. Had them for about 20,000 miles. Super happy with the performance. Anyhow, it's really how the off-road package should have come from the factory. 373 gears. I'm a touch overweight, but you know, don't tell anyone. Yeah, gonna get this thing unloaded, go clear some brush, and head back to the house and watch a little college football. Sound good to you? Easy peasy, just rolling through a couple of hills here. No problem at all. Going downhill. Alright guys, everybody loves a good 0 to 60. Let's see what she'll do. And it's on the floor. Alright guys, I'm going to back off to about 55 and then floor it and get you an idea of what, you know, passing speed would be. Starting to go just a little bit uphill here too. Still going uphill just a touch. And get out of it. We've leveled off some now. Everything looks good on temps. It really does handle the weight just fine. We're not going to win any races, but we're also not going to have that big of an issue trying to pass people or maintain speed, even with a pretty heavy load. Well, just to wrap things up, everything went easy peasy. 7.5 miles per gallon, over 250 miles. I'm happy. Doesn't quite have the power of a diesel. Diesel probably would have gotten a little bit better fuel mileage, but it would have cost a lot more. And I don't really trust the newer ones. Maybe one day. See you guys.